Coach PJ here. Are you working with family members? Are you finding that navigating the challenges of a family business can be difficult? Well, working with family is both rewarding and challenging. It is just as important to value and nourish what makes the relationships work as it is to resolve issues when they don't work. Sometimes working with family members is a choice, but in some situations, it's a necessity. When a family member starts a new business, it may be all hands on deck until the business can support hiring all the necessary part and full-time positions. More often than not, small business owners feel more comfortable working with family members. The relationships have been in place for a long time, and the individuals are deeply familiar with each other. They can communicate in shorthand and know they'll be understood. There's also a perception, not always true, but that family members are more likely to be dedicated in the long term for the success of the business than outsiders. In addition, family members can trust one another with information they're unwilling to share with the outside employees. So here are some tips for working with family. Number 1, good fences make good neighbors and good family work relationships. While some family members may be closer than others, it is important to establish boundaries and expectations in order for the business to run as smoothly as possible. By setting up clear rules and parameters, everyone will know what is expected of them, and there will be a greater chance that the family work relationship will be successful. Furthermore, by having a clear understanding of each other's roles, there won't be any confusion or overlap between tasks. And this will minimize frustration and ensure that each person is pulling their weight within the team. Put it in writing. Document the details of the relationship, expectations, responsibilities, and financial arrangements need to be clearly defined in writing. This will prevent making assumptions, misunderstandings, and avoid conflicts. When multiple family members are involved, be sure to provide an appropriate level of transparency across the family members, especially when it comes to decision making, succession planning, and financial ownership. This will reduce the likelihood of family members making assumptions about what is happening behind the scenes. Number 3, don't sacrifice family to the business. Non-working time together reinforces family bonds and contributes to the strong relationships. So it's important to preserve a balance between working and playing as a family. Set aside time together that's free of work-related conversations. Don't expect that family members are on 24/7. Everyone needs downtime, and family members are no exception. Number 4, be fair. If a family member is one among several employees, treat family members the same way you treat other employees. Don't expect more or less from your relatives. If you expect meetings to start on time or team members to keep their workplace clean, then it applies to all team members the same. If you let a family member opt out of an expectation, it sends the wrong message to the rest of the team. Working with family can have tremendous benefits when done correctly. It can be an amazing opportunity to build a business and a legacy together. If working with family is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call, we can get together for a coffee meeting, or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session where we'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, comment below, helping you get the business you deserve, your business profit. Until next time.